Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace brake pads on a Mitsubishi Outlander. Start by parking on firm level ground, engage the parking brake, and loosen the lug nuts before jacking. Raise the car securely on stands, remove the wheel, and inspect the rotor surface. Work calmly, keep parts organized, and follow torque specs when reassembling. Finish with a cautious brake test at low speed to bed the new pads. You will need a sturdy jack and jack stands, a lug wrench, a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston, and a torque wrench for proper lug tightening. Prepare new brake pads and some brake cleaner and anti-squeal paste to ensure quiet braking. Check rotor thickness and surface condition, and replace rotors if they are damaged. Organize fasteners and work in a well-lit area to avoid mistakes and save time. Begin by removing the caliper mounting bolts and supporting the caliper so the brake line is not stressed. Slide out the old pads and inspect slides and hardware. Clean and lubricate as needed. Compress the caliper piston gently with a C-clamp until it is fully recessed. Fit new pads with a thin layer of anti-squeal paste where appropriate, reassemble the caliper, torque bolts to spec, and reinstall the wheel before lowering the car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.